Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the contour feature in Design Space. As we can see on my canvas, I've uploaded an image that I've purchased from Design Bundles, and whilst it's a lovely image, sometimes there might be parts of the image that you don't want to use or you want to swap out for something else, and this is where the contour feature will come into play for you. So I'll show you what I mean. So if we highlight it, and we can go down to the layers panel at the bottom, we can see that the contour button is highlighted. So we're going to click on that, and that will now show you all the different elements of the design and which part you may want to hide. All the elements are a light grey at the moment, but if for example we wanted to get rid of the number 1, we can go down into the panel and we can click on that, and as we can see now, when we hover near it, it's turned into a light grey colour as opposed to all the other elements that are still dark grey. So you can go through the panel and we can keep removing elements that way. So now I've removed the 1, the S and the T. To revert back to your design to see the parts that have been removed, all you need to do is either click the X button or just click back onto the canvas. And now we can see on the design that the number 1 has been removed, but it's obviously left all these elements behind. So if we want to remove those as well, then we can go back to the contour button, and if we carry on going down, if we click on the elements there, as you can see, that's removed that part, but that's the wrong part. We don't want to remove that. So pop it back, you just click on it again. The other way you can do it is you can actually click on the individual parts of the design like that, and that will also remove them. So if we just go ahead and do that, and then if we scroll down, we can see further down in the panel where it's selected those parts of the design, and they're in a darker grey, so it now shows that they've been removed also. If we go back to our canvas, we can see now the whole number 1 and all the stars and spots have also disappeared. If we just pop back over, we can just also hide the word my, and then that would allow you now to add a different text. So if, for example, we wanted to just type happy to make it happy birthday, you can then alter the design and make it more of your own, and obviously you can choose whichever text you wanted for that. And that is how and when you would use the contour feature in Design Space to alter designs that you've purchased that aren't quite as you want them to be. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you again soon.